Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to verify identity with Apple Pay. This is the easiest method. First you want to go ahead and tap on settings on your home screen to launch the settings app. Next I want you to come here and choose wallet and Apple Pay. And from here I want you to go ahead and select Apple Pay Cash, okay, in the card section. Now here all I need you to do is go ahead and scroll down until you find this option that says verify identity. This button, this will be under the billing address. So I want you to go ahead and click on this button and then just come here and tap on the blue continue button at the bottom of the screen. So what will happen is the verify identity screen will appear asking you to enter, your legal name, your first name, your last name, right? Go ahead and enter that. So once you're done entering that, come here at the top right corner of the screen, tap on next. Okay, then you'll need to also verify your home address. So you'll need to type in your, street address, the zip code, everything like that. And then the last screen will appear where they'll ask you for the last four digits of your social security number and your date of birth. Okay, and after you've done this, go ahead and tap on next. And what will happen is an activity icon will appear in the upper right corner of your screen while your supplied information it will be verified. Okay? And it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Sasha Gemar.